Hello my YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic here, and today I am working on the 2005 Town & Country, and what I'm doing is changing the wiper blades. So let's get started with this. Now the first thing you're going to do when you're changing your wipers on this car, all you want to do is just push this back like this. Don't go too far and too hard because you might bend it or break it right here. Next thing you do is you're going to go right here. And all you're going to do is turn your wipers. And once you turn them, you're going to take it and push it. Show you right quick right there. Push it down. And once you push it down, right there, what you're going to do is turn it. And it comes out. Let's do that again. One more time. I'm going to put it in. Okay. Once they down, let's try this again. They down. You bring it up. You turn your wipers. And all you got to do is push it down. Like this. See that? Once you push it down, you move it to the side. And you bring it up. You got this hook right there. Now to put the new ones, all you have to do is make sure you turn it like this right there, and you're going to take this hook, the hook right here, you're going to put it in first, then you're going to go up in the top right there. See that? Make sure this part right here from the wipers is in. It's in. You bring it up and you're going to hear it click. In this situation it didn't click, but you make sure that it's all the way up, right up there. See that? Make sure this hook is right in, like that. Once it's in, all you're gonna do is turn it and bring it down. Let's do the other one. By the way, these are size 28. And not all 28s fix this car, so you have to find out which one fits your car. So now the same thing with this one. You're going to turn it, make sure you bring this back. Once you bring that back, you're going to take your wiper blades and bring it up. And you see right there? Then you're going to just push it down. Right there. See that? Let's try that again. See that? It's in. You bring it up. And you're going to take this, push it down. Once you push it down, you're going to find a way right here. This right here. Find a little gap through there. And it comes out. So now let's put the new ones. So here goes the new one here. Make sure that's down, and this part right here is in the outer, and all you're going to do is take the wiper blades, take this hook right here, take it, push it in. See how I pushed it in? Push it up a little bit, and then you're going to make sure that you push it right in here. You see that? And just turn it and push it up. See that? Make sure that it's up here. One more time. Let's take it off. Make sure it's down like this. Push it down. Take your time. Push it down. There you go. Make sure this hook is in through there. Push it up just a little. Push the wiper blades right in. Push the hook. Push it up. And there you go. Your wiper blade has been installed. It's that easy. Once again, this is Now Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Now Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.